A lot of people, black, white, Mexican, young or old, fat or skinny, have a problem being true to themselves. They have a problem looking in the mirror and looking directly into their own souls. And the reason I am who I am today is because I can look directly into my face and find my soul.
I'm the other guy, like why me? I'm just trying to do better, I'm feeling empty. I take a step forward, then I fall back. Sometimes I look up at the clouds like where you at? Answer my prayers, but my dreams not answer back. I feel pain on the inside, but I don't show it. It seems everything I do, I just fucking blow it. If I ever had a chance, I would never know it. Gotta find a way, I'm on the path to college. Now I'm stressed because this roadblock on my path to knowledge. Lord help me please, it's just my misery. All my memories, crashing clear here to see. Damn, I need a way to see a brighter day. I'm living day by day, hoping to see another day. I ain't worrying about tomorrow, I'm stuck on yesterday. Lord, please, do you feel my pain? Do you feel that I'm here and I'm stuck in the rain? Do you feel I'm on the track and it's an oncoming train? All my dreams are nightmares, I'm locked in chains. I just want to teach the steps, but it's against my grain. I have pain in my lane, soaking up in my vein. Help me, please, Lord, help me. I don't want to be the person that was stuck up on the corner, hustling day by day, trying to sell some marijuana. It's pain I feel, just pain. I'm stuck in the rain, sunny days ain't tame. Pick me up like a crane, throw me in the rain with a chest and watch me bang. Yeah, watch me bang.